Okay.
I'm going to keep doing it. This is roasted garlic in my salad bowl. I'm going to add, excuse me, sorry, a little olive oil. A lot of olive oil. And then I'm going to add salt. So I make my dressing right in the bowl. And now I'm going to smash the living daylights out of it. And I'm going to curb my mouth because I would say something like, smash the shit out of it. And this is how you season a bowl. All the way around. You can add fresh garlic, and sometimes I do, but this does not bite you back. And these old phone jacks, or what are they, phone things? They used to go on top of the pole.
Yep.
I like a good pole every now and then.
Wonderful.
But this used to go on top of the pole. And I collected them because that's what my mother used to do, smash the garlic with it. So it's good for a lot of kitchen things.
Yeah, you can
All right.
find them at antique
Boom.
stores.
So then I will add tomatoes. Now the trick in slicing tomatoes is pretty tricky. Let me see if I can show you the trick without... Don't go away, Bri. Are you still there? Oh, you're still there. Uh-oh, don't let me bend over too low. Okay. Usually I do this with... Ooh, get that tomato! Quick, get it!
That's a good girl.
She loves tomatoes. So, watch this little trick. I'm all over the place, but so is the weather.
Yeah, that's our cutting clothes. Cutting clothes, clothes and cut. It's our clothes and cut.
So,
Still one of those.
I should have a longer knife. Yes, I should. And I will. So you want to slice. You should always slice your cherry tomatoes because you can literally choke on them, and this is not really working the right way. It's going to work.
So what are those colors? Like Tupperware lids?
Just lids off of, Chinese food. Yep. Tupperware lids. So that when you slice your tomato, therefore, my sister was eating a tomato, popped, bit of cherry tomato, and it popped in the back of her lung, and she almost choked. So ever since then, I sliced my cherry tomatoes.
You don't got to chase them around the plate that way.
Exactly.
Right. I'm not going to do any more right now. So I'm going to add a little basil. Do we want onions?
Yep.
Red onion?
Yep.
Don't.
Don't ask me. I'll just say put everything in.
And I'm going to put a little cucumber and some more olive oil. And some vinegar. I really like seasoned rice wine vinegar with garlic. And I couldn't find it anymore, so I had to order 3 bottles off of Amazon. Jeez. Well, at least I don't run out. And then I really love balsamic drizzle by Rachel Ray. Perry, why are you hiding in there? Are you smoking?
Laughing.
Are you smoking, darling?
for hand
You're
cream.
smoking hot, I know that. Okay, now we shall add black pepper. Because remember, I'm making my salad dressing right here into the bowl before you add your greens. Okay, cut, because I have to cut the onion. I don't want to be